your this one Abdullah school? Until when?
Today what?
Your school?
More than today.
Huh?
More.
Next year? Next year? Next week?
Yeah, next week last.
Finish?
Maybe I don't know. Maybe finish now. I don't know.
Tell me lah, because so that I will not wake you up early.
Maybe your school now online or what? Huh?
Only Thursday.
So next year you're going 11 grade.
Yeah, sure.
Only 2 years. Then you're going America, inshallah. If you go America, no more Anan going here, there.
Where?
Anan.
Where?
He's not always going send you there everywhere.
Yeah.
America ko, I go India class. 2 years after class. Abdullah go, Naswan coming, Saleh coming, Yusuf coming.
No, Yusuf second year lah, second year college. Same my daughter, second year college. My daughter 2 years, she's graduating. Maybe you go America, you go to rally there. You join America to rally for Iran.
I go rally for Philippines.
Huh?
I go rally for Bongbong Marcos.
Alas, Bongbong Marcos is the last term.
You will miss him?
I don't get any of this one. This because all corruption. Now I don't know which one the real, the truth. Because they said all the money from the government he take it and then he hide it because he is the last term. Because his father Abdullah is so what is this? Like very rich. His father. I don't know who's the truth, telling the truth or what. Because now our country is like a little bit war in the Senate.
Yeah.
Crazy people, they are doing only, they don't want a peaceful life. I don't know why like this, some people. Here in Bahrain is nice.
Where?
Here in Bahrain. Nice because it's peaceful. No war.
Have war.
No war, only the missile ban.
Before 2 days before Manama fire.
Yeah, I know. Which is the era?
Town fire.
Era building where?
Inside Manama Sur.
They said in the era building, there is targeting like Thursday drone. Here peaceful, but only this one, the Iran making problem, no? Why they don't revenge Abdullah?
Bahrain go revenge bye one day.
Huh?
Bahrain don't have strong army.
Bahrain, Kuwait. What is this? Qatar, Oman, Saudi. Too much. But you know why? That's why they don't rebel. Because if the Iran, there is very strong like nuclear. If they use the nuclear,
خلاص.
kalas.
Iran have nuclear.
Yeah, very strong nuclear, Iran. That's why they don't revenge here. They just only the relaxing, catching the bomb. Because if they use the nuclear bomb, all here is affected. The nearest country. All people die, and then if they don't, if
Before they don't have that nuclear.
no, there is nuclear. They are very strong. This one, Anan, missile. Iran is strongest missile bomb. That's why this Trump, he cannot he don't want to stop until they will get this what is this Iran, because Iran is crazy. They allowed them to make the like this, the strongest missile bomb, but you know there is little something like little war only. He use always bomb like this. That's why Trump he want to
Inside
stop.
have the Jazeera? No. Only there or inside there?